So we just did a video, or I just did a video on the Hemi Charger 500, and when I was at Joe's, somebody commented asking how his Ferrari GTO project is going. He's doing a awesome, like 1961 or 62 Ferrari GTO body kit on a Datsun 280Z, and it looks so awesome. It's nuts from what it used to look like, especially. In my mind, it looks like a $50 million Ferrari, but obviously it's not going to be exact, but it's pretty damn close, you know, as far as the first glance of this car. And he's doing a lot of important detailing on it, with real Ferrari parts on some of it. It's a Ford-powered Datsun Ferrari, so it's all over the place, and man, it looks beautiful. So I'm gonna go show you what's going on with that car right now. He's building a cool custom dash for it, and man, he's got the Ferrari badges on the fenders, and it looks so cool. So let's go check out Joe's shop and his amazing Ferrari GTO Datsun powered by a Ford motor. Those of you that are just seeing this for the first time, go back and watch the previous video on this car. It's nuts, the work my friend has done with just the body alone, getting that fiberglass kit. He pulled it off of the old body, it was all ratty. That's an old 80s body kit on this thing. Pulled it off, reworked the whole thing, remounted it to the body, and just doing that, the work he did blew me away. So well worth seeing that first video, and hopefully soon the motor's gonna be done. He told me a list of parts he's been buying for this, and this is gonna be one wicked little car. So let's go take a look at it. I don't think the badges were on, were they? I don't remember.
See what I mean? It's all dusty.
Yeah. Did you get the exhaust? Or you got to build the exhaust, the whole exhaust. You have to fabricate it, right?
Gotta make it. Yeah. I know what mufflers you got in there.
What brand?
Stainless works.
Let's give it that European sound.
No. So the only thing I'll fit underneath here where I can slam it on the ground.
Drop the whole thing pretty low.
I had the coilovers. I ordered the rear subframe. What else is ordered? The radiator.
Silver was the color, man. I kept wanting you to paint it red, and now I'm so glad you didn't listen to me. This thing's gonna sound so cool with that Ford motor rumbling. So a quick update on the GTO Datsun project. We're gonna take a look at the dashboard that Joe has to modify and kind of build out of some fiberglass piece that somebody made, so it resembles the original Ferrari dash and not a Datsun 280Z dash. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like now. He's gonna tell us a little bit about what he's got to do to make it fit.
Wow. I'm gonna fit that in there and then grind that ledge away. I'm gonna weld this up so it's gonna look like that.
This edge.
Yeah, I'm done. And then I gotta cut this away and then re-glass this to meet up in here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna file the holes and it's gonna transition from this metal into this fiberglass with the holes.
Making those rectangles across there.
Yeah, so well, these will be kicked up this way a little bit, but this is the only way I can get it to work.
Make it look like it belongs there, not two pieces spliced together.
Good. Yeah.
This is what the Ferrari dash looks like. Like the shape of that.
For the most part, yeah.
Someone makes this as a kit
Yeah.
specifically for these.
Yeah, I gotta re-glass this. This is the absolute straight piece that fits in the car.
This one.
Yeah, you see this thing when I had it mounted on the car, it was kind of, when this thing molded, when they molded this, it like warped or something.
It's cockeyed a little bit.
Yeah, see the gap?
Yep.
So I'm gonna have to glass all this off and then roll it into this, you know, like fade it in, and then that'll straighten this whole thing out. It's a shitload of work. You know,
Yeah, right.
what isn't?
It's gonna be cool though. And then the other piece, the Datsun controls fit right in here, right?
Yeah.
Obviously, it's the
I
same.
had the dash in the car and I had the controls on it
All
already.
mocked up.
Yeah, it fits. I just gotta build up this edge so it fits perfect around the bezel. That's all.
That's like the heater controls and the AC. Well, there's no AC in that car, is there?
Yeah, there is.
Is there? Oh wow.
Putting AC in
I
it.
forgot about that.
I'm gonna get AC in it one way or another. I ain't driving that thing sitting in those seats. Fuck that.
Is there gonna be custom gauges like that look like
Speed
the
hut. Using speed hut gauges.
Speed Hut?
Yep.
They'll look like vintage style.
Yeah, I mean,
like old race car gauges.
yeah, pretty much.
Oh, that's a Ferrari dash.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
Trying to take pictures on the correct phone.
Pictures of a picture.
Yeah.
I see it though. Totally see it. Cool. Yeah, that'll be kind of easy to replicate with those round gauges. Using black faces like that.
You know, if this ain't the speedometer.
What is that?
The tack.
Is that the tack right in the middle?
Yeah, it don't have a speedometer.
That's awesome.
And that's what I'm doing. I'm putting a big tack right here. And I got a GPS speedometer, a small 2 1/16 one. I'll stick it up here because I don't care how fast I'm going.
Yeah, you don't need a speedometer. This is what's going to fit in here, right?
Yeah.
You're going to make Enzo roll over in his grave.
Pieces land in the car.
Wow, that came out great. You faked all that. This is looking good too. Line it up for me, yeah.
I'll tell you one thing, guys, I'm so glad I came out here. I'm stimulated finally.
That is cool. I told you once you see that car, it's,
Yep.
you know, you never saw it in person.
Oh, what is that
Damn,
for?
dude, that's awesome. That came out great. Holy cow.
Is that for this?
He cut.
I made this fucking dash.
So look at
Pretty much.
these holes are in the original dash. See these square holes?
Uh-huh.
He carved them into the fiberglass here to fake
This
it.
went straight across. Oop. This went straight across like that, and then there was a cutout for the VIN number here because it.
Really?
Yeah. Well, here's the original dash.
That's pretty cool.
And that's all gonna be for this car.
Joe's car is looking great. More to come on that. He can only work on that car like in between customers' jobs, so that's why it's kind of a slow-paced build. But he's done a lot since I've been shooting these videos, and he can work pretty fast. So who knows where it's going to be by the next time I shoot that thing. Now you're gonna want to see the next video coming up because I'm at the Chicago World Wheels right now, the 2022 show. And there's some badass custom cars here. So don't miss it. It's coming up next.